Hey, applications for our next Cybersecurity Accelerator cohort are now open. If you've been considering a career in cybersecurity, don't wait until next year. Send me a message today to learn more. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non technical professionals transition into cybersecurity. People often ask me, what are employers actually looking for? Here's what surprises most people. Employers are not looking for someone who knows every cybersecurity tool. They're actually looking for something different. They're looking for communication. They're looking for problem solving. They're looking for critical thinking. They're looking for professionalism. They're looking for curiosity. They're looking for someone who has the ability to learn quickly. In fact, some of the best cybersecurity professionals that I've had the honor of working with came from fields like healthcare. They came from education. They came from customer service, retail, operations, places where you would think has nothing to do with cybersecurity. So here are three things that you can do today. Number one, update your LinkedIn profile to reflect transferable skills that someone in cybersecurity may be looking for. Number two, practice answering, tell me about yourself. Number three, start posting once a week about what you're learning. Remember, technical skills can always be taught. We can teach you that. But attitude, communication, work ethic are things that are harder to teach, and they're things that are harder to find. Our Cybersecurity Accelerator was built specifically for people who don't come from a traditional IT background. We teach you the foundations of cybersecurity. We help you translate your experience and prepare you for interviews and entry-level opportunities. Applications are now open. We only run 2 cohorts each year, and places are limited. Send me a message for more information.